Hello there and welcome back to Hands on How To. So on today's video, I will show you how you can be able to add location in your YouTube video. So once you are logged into your YouTube account, the way I have, I'm already on my YouTube account. So what you're going to do, you're going to click on Manage Videos. So after clicking on manage your videos, you're going to have a drop down of all the videos that you have uploaded. So I'm just going to pick on one video. So let me pick this particular video. So once it opens, you're just going to scroll down and click on show more. Yes, so after clicking that, you'll come to this option where it says recording date and location. So here you can be able to add location. You can see now I have no any particular location, but if you search for a location, you're just going to search. Yes, you can be able to search and you'll have options. So you can search any location you want. Let me say I want to search India. Yes, so I'll have this. Yes, I'll have these options we have, and then you can just select any location, any country. So let me see, even if I type Uganda, yes, I have Uganda here. So for this particular video, if I wanted to add location, so since I'm in Kenya, I'm just going to select Kenya. Yes, so I'm just going to add the location to be Kenya, and then I save it. Okay. Yeah, so then I just click on save. So I've already added location to that particular video. So that is how you add location on your videos. So if you feel like you need to have locations in your video, because there are some videos that are searched with location. So that is how you add location. So thank you so much for watching. See you again in my next video. If this video was informative, you can just click you can leave a like, comment, subscribe, and also share to your friends. See you again in my next video. Bye.